और if there is a nowadays हिरकणी कक्ष बोलते हैं उसको, हिरकणी कक्ष. हिरकणी की एक बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है where Hirkani, even in the, she was serving the king, and even then in the, while she was serving Shivaji Maharaj, still in the middle she used to go and feed the child. So Shivaji Maharaj made a special chamber for her where she could go and feed her baby. So since then we call it Hirkani Kaksh, where the mother is given a space to feed the child. So that is it is very much like it is developing in India, definitely. Yes. So
also for the mother, they are giving 6 months leave,
yes.
no?
Yes. And after 6 months, anyways, the baby is given complimentary feeding in the middle. So she can feed the child, she can go, and others in the family can all definitely give the express milk to the baby, but definitely no bottle feed. Bottle feed has very bad disadvantages. It can cause infection in the child. So we don't recommend bottle feed at all. Vati spoon is best for the children, so that any outside infection is not introduced. Ma'am, what was the second question? I forgot, sorry.
Yes. You may have forgot. So I think I have. No. I asked about the first question, that is about what we can do. Yeah. How could we make the child to stop the breast milk? What are the techniques of stopping the breast milk? Because this is not that easy. After 1.5 year or 1 year, if the child recognizes more, because these days children are very, very early, very fast. Children growing are very fast, na? So after 1 year, they know everything. They can't just even stop the milk feed. And after 1.5 year, they just pester the mother. They just pester the mother to give the milk. And after 2 years, if we stop milk, they will revolt like anything. Or each and every mother will come and say that, Madam, ye kya ho gaya? Ab kaise stop karna hai? Please let us know the techniques. So what could be the best techniques for the weaning?
Yes,
that is the second question.
Yes, ma'am. This is a separate topic actually, where I cannot, like, this is a very short time where I'll be able to explain. But weaning, it starts with the complementary feeding only. How you introduce the outside food. See, mothers, why the baby is not able to leave the mother after the 1 year? Because the child wants that security. Usko security chahiye. That is the first thing. He doesn't want the milk. He wants the security from the mother. So that security, if it is given well since beginning, and the complementary food, if it is introduced well, if it is given the right way, like nowadays what happens, 6 months के बाद में बच्चे को खाना दे दिया, सामने आपने स्क्रीन रख दिया, yeah, you are watching something in the baby, so the baby is lacking the security from the mother. That is why he is not able to leave the mother. If that is given to the child, that if the mother is giving enough time, enough security, this will gradually reduce. And the weaning itself is a separate topic. We cannot, it will be a very short time for me to put anything right now, because I'll be incomplete from my side. But what I can say is that the complementary feeding right way is the key for this solution. If it is weaned well, the child is given good food well, initially it will not happen.
Okay, the third question is, so weaning techniques, so we did not happen to listen.
Yes.
So the third question is, why is it not happening that till the lactation is happening, the menstruation is not stopping? Why it would be? Is there any reason?
No, ma'am. Since nowadays, as you said, even when sometimes some females do get a menstruation even after as soon as the baby delivers, in the first week of 10 days. So there is no particular connection between not having your periods and becoming pregnant, because there are some mothers who are feeding, are not having periods since long time, and some people who are getting it in the next 2 weeks also. So this is just our thing. Okay, fine. Maybe for the first month or 45 days, it will be postponed. After that, it will come. So that is one thing. There is no connection, ma'am.
That means whatever our elder people say, that till she is lactating, she won't get a period. So she won't get.
No, it is nothing like that. She can get her periods. Even the first month, mothers do get periods. Even
that's there, but we are seeing now. But in the ester years, they did not get any period till the lactation is stopped. At least for 6 months, 8 months, like that. So they are safe. They don't have any contraception methods also in that time till she is lactating. That was the confidence at that time. So the some environmental factors are happened maybe. So
Maybe.
that's one. And till she is lactating, you said that the fat will also go into the milk and
Yes,
she will
yes,
become slim.
yes.
No, the weight loss is also not happening. Maybe the same
Because
reason will be the
because as I because
postpartum weight.
हाँ.
Hmm.
Because what happens, ma'am, we are only dependent on the only breast milk is not important. We have to also add with exercise and diet. Earlier,
Yes,
if you
yes, that.
compare, earlier if you compare, the mothers used to be very active. डिलीवरी के बाद भी महीने में they used to start working. They used to work in fields and all. अभी हम लोग तो फील्ड में नहीं, हम लोग तो घर पे ही बैठते. We are not doing that physical work. उसके सामने we are given lot of घी वाला खाना, लड्डू खाओ, ये खाओ. So we are अपना diet is not matching. So we have to make a less
या
हाँ
डाइट में भी बहुत सारे लोग अब तो डाइट फॉलो करते हैं एटलीस्ट फॉर 3 months.
हाँ
Not that much like
and
okay,
exercise.
that would be a social, yeah, that would be a
हाँ.
social
So
phenomenon.
yes,
And
yes,
my fourth question is about osteoporosis and
yes, yes.
postmenopausal
हाँ.
osteoporosis. You were explaining
So,
something. What's
yes,
that?
ma'am. So what happens is if you know aware about how the calcium is deposited in our bones, the more when the mother is feeding the child, the calcium goes into the breast milk. There is the calcium in the formation of breast milk. There is calcium, so that calcium goes to the breast milk from the mother. So the more the calcium is resorbed, it's called reabsorption and resorption rate. So if the calcium goes from the bone in the mother's milk, at the same rate the calcium is deposited in the mother bones of the mother. The higher the rate of reduced the as soon as it go to the mother's milk, the bone is deposited in the the calcium is deposited in the bones. That is called the reabsorption absorption rate. It increases. That is why the osteoporosis rate also reduces in mothers who are
That
feeding.
uh, that means if the calcium to be again redeposited in the mother's bones, that
Yes,
means
yes,
that also happens only with the calcium rich diet with the mother, right?
yes. It has to be
Like
calcium, but
milk or
yes,
hmm.
yes. It has
So
to be
if it is not calcium diet, if it is in what we call no food something or less food something for the mother, then
yes.
the bones में भी calcium गया और नया calcium भी
हाँ
नहीं आएगा,
नहीं
right?
और हाँ और जो
Okay.
भी कैल्शियम आपके बॉडी में आएगा वो तो बनता है. यू विल ईट समथिंग तो कुछ तो कैल्शियम मिलेगा. वो सब बेबी के
Okay.
मिल्क में चला जाएगा, मदर को नहीं मिलेगा. But yeah, the
Yes.
dad has. But even though it is not that, the mothers. Suppose if the mother who has not fed the child, and if the mother was fed the
Hmm.
child, her bones will be
Hmm.
osteoporosis will be little lesser. The rate of
Hmm.
osteoporosis will be little later. That is what has been
Yeah.
observed in the studies.
Yeah. These days,
That is
so
why
many people are not.
those days, so many deliveries happened, and they are all very healthy when you compare to our generation. I feel that is more important point to be taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
And
and
uh,
if at all the mother is not having enough breast milk, so these days immediately after delivery they are coming for medicine for breast milk. So if at all they can feed also, they are coming for more and more breast milk because
yes.
they wanted to feed more. So then what happens with the metabolism in those type of ladies
Uh,
or non breastfeeding ladies?
Ma'am, I think the first solution is like whenever a mother comes to anybody for a problem with feeding, they say that ma'am, feed is not enough. First, we have to check the position. If they are posing, if the attachment is proper, if they are feeding in the right manner, because that is the maximum reason where they feel that my feeding is not there, but feeding is there, but the mother is not putting in the right way. That is the
Yes, yes.
first thing.
Then
Yeah.
the breast will be full now, madam. That the mother can know, na, that means
Huh.
my breasts
So
are full, but it's not coming
yes.
out. Something
So
she
it is a
explained,
negative
right?
cycle. It is a negative cycle.
Mm.
Mother does not feed, milk नहीं निकलता है, तो automatically
Yes.
body starts producing less milk. So
Okay.
what we say, like suppose if the child is in the ICU, like there are cases where the babies are in the ICU,
Yes.
they are not with the
Yes.
mother. What should be done? So we tell that आप अपना दूध निकालते जाओ. You remove the milk and you keep on removing because the brain gets a message. Okay, I have to produce milk. If the mother stops feeding, automatically milk बनना बंद हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even
Yes.
in the babies in the neonatal emergency also.
Neonatal, yes, ma'am. Who are in NICU and all, they for them we recommend that you have to go and You keep on removing the child milk, even though you're not feeding the baby. The baby को NICU में कुछ ml ही लेगा, 5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml. But आप दोनों बाजू से breast से निकालते रहो. You keep removing the milk
Yes.
from the breast.
But
So
NICU में baby
For
को breast
removing-
milk दे.
sorry.
NICU में
For
NICU. Yeah, doctor, please continue.
No, for removing breast milk, and they use the pump. Do you advise that? Milk,
Yes, ma'am. It
milk
is
pump.
good. It is initially for the first
Good,
15 days. Yes, it is good. It is good. It is helpful. It is in
Okay.
fact the latest electronic ones are also very good. They are very helpful for the
Okay,
working mothers.
okay.
Yes, it is very good.
Okay.
We should use but the right technique has to be used. It should be guided properly.
Hmm.
But we
Okay,
also
okay.
advise manual. Manual
Also, there is some milk bank also is there.
Yes,
I
yes.
heard even
There is-
before 30 years.
Yes, milk bank is there.
Hello.
But that is
Hello,
of
ma'am.
the-
Sorry to interrupt in between.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
Dr. Ranjani.
I want to ask, ma'am, that calcium deposition occurs at the time of lactation. Okay. Then I want to ask that does it last for till the age of menopause, because it starts getting osteoporosis changes at the age of menopause only, generally.
See,
Now,
this-
how can it long last till the age of menopause when it is deposited at the time of lactation?
Ma'am, it is not a one-time process. It is a continuous process where after
Okay.
2 years also the mother will be having a nutrition. So at that time when the rate of calcium is needed is more, that time it helps because the brain gets a message that okay, my calcium is getting lost, so I should now deposit more. So it will start working in that cycle.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
yeah.
madam. The last question is about the meconium. We are explaining about the first tool, meconium, some A vitamin.
Yeah,
What
ma'am,
that
before that, what earlier question, I have something to add on to that. I think you said about what if the mother feels I don't have enough milk. So
Yes.
maximum we get for that only, that mother feels I don't have enough milk. The main reason is emotional. If there is emotional stress in the house, because also there is something called postpartum depression, which sets in, which is a very much part of the postpartum. The mother is already depressed. She doesn't know how to feed the child. There is a pressure from the relatives. There's a pressure from the for herself that okay, I have to feed my child while I'm the mother. So all this creates a lot of stress in the mother. So that is one of the also the reason that why mothers feel I don't have enough milk. So that time we have to explain the mother that what criteria she should see, that okay, what I should observe objectively, which will make her feel confident. So one thing is very important that she should count the number of times the urine the baby has passed. At least 6 to 8 times the baby has to pass the urine, 6 to 8 times in the day. For that, diaper cannot be made to wear. If diaper is worn, the mother will not come to know. So 6 to 8 times the baby is passing urine. If the baby is putting on at least 500 grams of weight at the end of the month, that has to be observed by the mother. Also, one more thing which I forgot to inform everybody is that once the baby is born, in the first week the baby starts losing the weight because whatever is the delivery water starts going off. So the baby starts losing weight. Then the mother starts getting panicked. Okay, my baby's weight is getting reduced. I'm not having enough milk. I should start the outside milk. But no, that is normal. Normal is what that in the first week the baby will start losing the weight. It will not gain weight. After a week, this whole thing will start. The baby will start putting on weight gradually. He will start passing urine 6 to 8 times in a day. He will pass the meconium, the first motion, which is very important to pass the black colored stool. And the motion has to start changing from black to green to yellow, which is normal color. Then if that all that this happens, that means you are feeding in the right way. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about anybody's comments. Okay, आपका बच्चा बहुत छोटा है, आपका बच्चा बहुत मोटा है तो आपको दूध नहीं आ रहा है, आपके breast बहुत छोटे हैं तो आपको दूध नहीं आ रहा है. You know, a lot of misconceptions. Some mothers feel okay, my breast is very big, so I will get more milk. No, it is nothing like that. They are only adipose tissue. They are fat tissues. Milk is only coming from the ducts. So size does not matter. This thing we have to see that 6 to 8 times the baby has to pass urine. The weight has to come every month 500 grams. That should be the only criteria, and the baby should be happy feeding. That's it. Even the crankiness cannot be considered. Okay, my baby is crying a lot, crying a lot. There are a lot of other reasons why the baby is crying because they don't know any other language. They know only to cry. So even he has gas, even he's not comfortable. He just wants you to hold him. Even then he can cry. So these are the what complaints we get. Okay, my baby is crying, he's not sleeping the whole night. What should I do? So then they start giving bottle feed, and then the whole problem starts.
Okay. So what about in inverted nipples? We will be having some
Yeah,
inverted.
yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Now, how to feed in an inverted nipple case? And the other thing is, do you have this lactating counselor in every hospital, or the mother is being given the training how to do everything, and in every, or how would be this lactating counselor post? How would be? How would it
Yes.
be?
Okay. So, ma'am, about the inverted nipples, there is something called a nipple shield, which is provided to the mother. Nipple shield. Uh, See, it all depends on case to case. There are various types of nipples. So, if as I said, the milk is not in the nipple, the milk is in the areola. So, even if the milk is the nipple is inverted, sometimes the nipple shield is the nipple shield will help enough for the baby to feed, because areola should be good elastic. Then the mother baby can suck on the areola. Okay. And other thing, sometimes initially the nipples are inverted. Gradually with feeding, it automatically starts coming out. And even the smallest nipple is enough. It is not needed that a big nipple is needed for the feeding. I hope I am clear with this point.
Exactly. And the other thing is the post of the lactating counselor.
Yes,
How it
ma'am.
will be.
Yes, ma'am. Before that, I'll just add on one point. There is something called cracked nipples, which mothers face, complain. So, cracked nipples, one of the reasons is if the position is not proper. If the position, the mother can have a cracked nipple. For that, the first solution is you apply the breast, the behind part of the milk. Milk has two parts. First is the watery part, piche ka part is the fat part. So, the fat part you apply on the cracked nipple area and leave it open for at least 30 minutes, and it will help in the cracked nipples. You don't have to apply any lotion or cream or anything. So, and ma'am, you told about the lactation counselors. It is gradually coming up. Hospitals are, there are government hospitals are definitely having lactation counselors nowadays. And I don't know about private. Private may there are, but they don't want to specially employ anybody, because then it is a separate charges. So they don't are not. But yes, we are spread it in the whole India. Everywhere there are a lot of centers. So I have taken a degree from BPNI Maharashtra, which is Breastfeeding Promotion Network of India, Maharashtra. So that way there are multiple institutes all over India, and where we can get the lactation counselor helps.
Yes, doctor. I got little 2 to 3 points very new. I learned something from you today. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
And Dr. Alka, if there are any chat box questions, we will answer that, and afterwards we will have a little 2, 3 medical questions in this one. Okay.
I think, ma'am, we have discussed most of the questions. There is one question about metabolism. What about metabolism in weaning and non-weaning mothers? This is from Homeo Race.
Okay. Metabolism in weaning and non-weaning mothers. The
Is there
difference.
a difference?
So yes, ma'am. So what happens is, as soon as there is a lot of hormonal things going on inside, if, as you know, the hormones like oxytocin, progesterone are all playing a role in when the mother is feeding. Oxytocin hormone, when the mother is feeding, the hormone oxytocin is playing a role, which helps in the metabolism also. It has been observed that oxytocin helps in the metabolism of the child, of the mother. Uh, the sugar is also controlled a lot by the hormone. It plays a role. And also the feedback cycle of the hypothalamic pituitary axis, which is being controlled, in that oxytocin also plays a role. So it gives a feedback to the hypothalamus that okay, my body is in the right direction. So I think metabolism also is in a good enough for a mother who is feeding.
And what about non-weaning mothers?
uh, A lot of things will change. Like basically, the evolution of uterus also takes time, because all that messages are given by the breast milk to the mother. That okay, now uterus has to contract. There is no less of the hemorrhages are also reduced. The bleeding also is reduced. So, and It is a love hormone, as we said. So it helps in the growth and metabolism of the mother. So if the mother is non-weaning, there is no particular study like that who is non-weaning, not feeding, will have any less metabolism or something. But yeah, there are benefits of mother who are feeding. One more thing I would add here, it is about the baby, that we have seen that the mothers who are feeding their child and mothers who are not feeding the child, the babies fall less sick because of the introduction of the immunity factors from the mother directly. The babies fall less sick. The babies fall less. The growth is good of the babies. So that is one of the reasons. Also, one of the things which is taken care of. Less economic pressure on the family.
Any further questions from the group? You can ask your questions directly rather than type.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. What are the conditions where the mother can't feed the child? Like any?
Only one of the this is HIV in India. If the mother is having HIV positive, then we cannot feed the child. Otherwise, we can feed in all the conditions. Yeah.
On this note, if the mother is having any autoimmune conditions like cancers,
No,
not for the breast, general,
no. They
and
can all can feed.
they can give. And thyroid also, she is having higher thyroid.
Definitely. Thyroid is
So
also
the
very
TSH, everything will be traveled from the breast milk to the child.
yes, ma'am. If they can have it. Even if the mother is on thyroid hormone, thyroid medicines, they can definitely go for breastfeeding. There is no problem.
So that thyroid hormone won't go into through the breast milk to the child. It will go, no?
It no, ma'am. It is not passed on to the breast milk. That hormone.
Okay.
Yes, it is
Okay.
not. It is not. It is not passed on. Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Certain medicines are not around, just like painkillers like analgesics and all that. But if the mother is on thyroid hormone, she can definitely go for it.
Okay. So what we say, no, we'll generally give the medicine to the mother in the early days of the child, no? So
Yes.
with the breast milk, that will go like that. So if the child is having stools or something, that also we will be treating the mother for sometimes.
Yes,
Sometimes.
yes. You
For
can
that.
even homeopathic medicines I've given to in the breast milk. Like sometimes if the
Yes.
child is having any loose motions or anything, we put the
Mm.
medicine in the breast milk and give to the child. It's okay. In
Yes.
the
Yes, doctor. Yes, Dr. Nimi, madam. Please unmute your mic and ask the question.
Yes. Dr. Nemi, please ask your question. She seems to have left the meeting, some internet issue probably.
Okay.
If there is anybody
Maybe.
else, please do
Yeah.
ask.
Now, yeah. Any other questions, madam? I think so 2 to 3 messages are there in the chat box.
Yes, this was from Hemangi Dake. What about cocks to the mother? The entire question is not very clear. Dr. Hemangi, can you
No,
ask the question, please?
no. She left already, so I'll ask that question. If the mother is having COX positive, so can she feed the child or not? That could be her question.
yes, ma'am. She can feed if she's on an anti-cox treatment. She can still feed the child. She has to be on
Oh,
an anti-cox. She can still feed the child. But
okay.
in this case, I mean, again, I would put a caution here that still, even if there is anything, you must always contact a pediatrician and your gynec. You should keep in touch with them about the conditions and accordingly go ahead. But as far as what we are knowing, we can definitely feed.
Okay. So some homeoras is having some messages that Renuka, Dr. Renuka, she says that lithium, some question is there. Lithium, what is that she's asking?
Yes, can you please ask your question? Is lithium taking mother can breastfeed? The question is not very clear. Can you please ask your question?
Yes, Dr. Renuka, you can unmute and ask.
Lithium taking mother can breastfeed. No idea, ma'am. I'm not aware about the lithium part of it.
Okay.
I'm
So
not
now,
aware.
Excuse me, ma'am. No, they should
Why
not
anybody will be taking
breastfeed.
lithium?
Lithium means they are schizophrenia mostly or psychotic illnesses. They'll be on lithium, ma'am.
No.
They should not breastfeed the baby.
Yes.
Usually
I
they won't
think,
allow. Yeah. Or they
if-
have to stop the medication and then they can breastfeed. Usually
yes.
it is not allowed.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, you are right. Lithium is not allowed. I mean, mother who are on antidepressants or something, they
Yes,
should
yes.
be taken with caution.
Avoid breastfeeding. Yes.
So psychiatric mothers,
So that
psychiatric
is
illness,
yeah.
they need to stop
Even,
the medication.
even then, they can express the milk and give it to the child. They can express the milk, and if that is not a problem. But if there is a problem, like because if the mother is having any depression issues, she should be first
Mm.
seen by the gynec, and then only decide. Then only can decide. Till then, we
Okay.
cannot
Okay.
decide. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
contraindication. In all
Yes.
cases, yeah, even they have some stipulated time before they should breastfeed. They should have stopped the medication for a few months in such a way because this definitely has an impact on.
Lithium. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So that's a new thing for me. And which diet we advise for the lactating mothers? That is one question. Lactating mothers ka diet. What could be the diet?
Okay,
Diet.
ma'am, the same that which applies to everybody, but yes, the quantity is more. Like if so generally for other normal people, 0.8 grams to 1 grams protein is needed. Breastfeeding mothers will need double, so almost like 2 grams or 3 grams. So definitely, all in all, I can say that the nutrition has to be a balanced nutrition. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ज्यादा उसको प्रोटीन दे दो या ज्यादा जो भी आप करो बैलेंस करो गिव अ प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट विद गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम प्रोटीन होममेड फूड avoid outside eating food avoid extra spicy food masale wala otherwise you can have everything but balanced diet there is no specific
And
change.
yes, yes. One more question is if the child is not given, the infant is not given colostrum, so can she take the breast milk? That was one the question.
She as
Yes.
it can be taken anywhere, anytime. Colostrum is the first 3 days, whatever comes out, it is a watery pink, yellow water, which is a colostrum. So if that is also not given, it's okay. You can start from wherever you are started. Sometimes the mother is not because of suppose if mother is having any illnesses, the mother is away from the baby. Or the baby is away from the mother. 6 months the mother ne nahi diya, but still we can restart the breastfeeding even after 6 months.
Even after 6 months. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
we
That's
can we
so.
can start. We can start. Like there are
Oh.
techniques to do that. Like we put the
Mm.
through the help of a syringe, we put on the mother's nipple the milk, and the baby starts suckling. And as soon as it starts suckling, the feeding starts. It takes time, but it happens.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
even
for that,
mother,
we need to steroid medications to the mother, like prolactin.
yes. Even
Yeah.
sometimes it is not needed. Only the suckling is enough. Actually, suckling is a very big reflex for the mother's milk production. The baby, if the
Yes,
baby
yes.
suckles well, the baby mother will have enough milk. Apart from other, if there are no
Okay.
other issues.
Even after 6 months also.
Yes, yes. Even,
Yeah.
I mean, this is a very little controversial topic, but suppose if the mother was adopted a child,
Oh, okay.
she has adopted a child at a very small and she wants to feed the child. वो भी possible हो सकता है. But a lot of like yeah, hormones we have to give, and this way we start making the baby suckle, and तभी भी होता है. We have seen.
Yeah, this could be the reason why non-pregnant women will be lactating from their breast. Maybe with the prolactin and all
Maybe
these
because
things.
of
Huh?
the yes, ma'am, correct.
And one more question is extended breastfeeding for till 5 years. Will it be good or bad?
It is good. It is good. It is in fact it is recommended. Up 5 years तक feed करो तो बहुत because then they take it as a tonic. They take some little and they go away. So it is very beneficial. It is good. There is
So
no
is it
harm.
good for the mother also? Mother
Yes,
also?
yes, ma'am. It is no,
Does
there is no
don't
problem. There
it
is no
become
problem.
very weak?
No,
Very weak,
no,
something?
no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Because some mothers they will say, na, after 1 year only they say that अब
हाँ,
मुझसे होता नहीं है, I am very
no.
weak.
It is the mother's mental state also matters because if they are
That's all.
they are tired, they are exhausted. But 5 years
Hmm.
तक भी feel किया, it is a secretion of the body. It is not like कि आप अपना खाना दे रहे हो उनको. You are not removing a nutrition. It is a secretion.
Yeah.
It is okay. You can definitely give. Till
And
5 years, it is
yeah, one more question is the mother should not sleep while feeding, right? The mother should not take a nap while feeding. Huh?
हाँ.
Is it
So
correct? Hmm.
um, Yeah, she should not sleep. That is right. But there is one position which we also give to the mother for there are various feeding positions. Unfortunately, I don't have the images of that right now. One of the position is lying down position, where the mother can lie and the baby is also lying, and she can feed the child. But at that time, she should make sure that she is not sleeping off. Otherwise, you should not. We don't recommend that position to the mother. She should be
Okay.
well aware. Yeah, she should be aware of the, yes, she should not take a nap. Because the reason being that she can fall on the baby. That is the only reason.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, people will avoid while,
And
especially while in the.
yes, I
Hmm.
mean, she can even, there is a baby can even have a, she can
Yeah.
gulp the
Yes.
milk in the go into the breast.
Asphyxia.
Yeah, asphyxia,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Situation will be there.
Yes. So that is one
Yes.
of the reasons.
Yeah. Some more questions in the chat box, or otherwise we will discuss some medical. Is the mindset important during the breastfeeding? Yes, doctor, it should is important. Huh? Because I have seen so many patients telling me that the breast milk is not sufficient in spite of taking various medicines like Ayurveda, homeopathy, and others. For that, she has answered. In spite of counseling, they keep themselves telling it is not sufficient and start formula. And start formula milk. These are the questions from Dr. Manasa.
Yes.
So, yeah, I think you have already answered that one
So
because the
that
position is
is,
important.
yeah. So that is where the lactation counselor profile helps. That is why we are there. That we are able to counsel the mother. We know the mother's mental state. We are aware about the postpartum depression which is going through. Suddenly, like a working mother, very active mother, and suddenly now she has to sit in the whole day in the house and she has to feed the child. So definitely there are going to be difficulties, but we help them, we guide them how to go about it.
Yes, if the problem is severe, then we can interfere with our medicines also.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
where we will be interfering as a homeopath. And
Yes,
one more question is about can the lactating mother take about multivitamins and calcium
yes.
supplements?
There is no problem. There is no. She should definitely take vitamins, vitamin D. Vitamin D is recommended. Calcium is recommended. Calcium supplements and vitamin D. B and all will all depend. If the mother is deficient, she can go for it. Otherwise, vitamin D and
Yes.
calcium is the recommended.
Yes. So now for the metromedica part. So what would you give, doctor, as you are also a homeopathic physician? So did you ever interfere with our medicines for those people, and
Till
how could be the drugs?
ma'am, generally I have gone with the constitutional only, especially like
Hmm.
so. First, I said that major 90% of my problems are resolved if I show the counsel the mother and if I give the right position. I have not seen anywhere medicines are
Okay.
needed till now. But yes, so for
Hmm.
cracked nipples we have given like petroleum. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, Depends on the what is the presentation of the mother from the mother about the cracked nipples. So petroleum is very graphitis is very good for cracked nipples. But yes, even if the breast milk is applied, it is very helpful. Calendula cream we can give, we can apply. But
Really a
obviously,
new point for me. Thanks for that. That the breast milk applying and the cracked milk,
yes,
cracked
ma'am.
nipples.
Breast milk
So
apply and
from these days,
it is enough.
yeah,
It is
from
enough.
these days, part sufficient. Huh? So
At
that
least
means the watery part should be expressed out, and the fatty part should be allowed to stay on the nipple for some time,
yes,
right?
yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
when the
Okay.
mother is feeding, there are two parts: the foremilk and hind milk. Foremilk is only
Okay.
water. Hind milk is full of fat. And one more thing I forgot to inform that the foremilk, the first part it gives is satisfies the thirst of the child. So that is why we say don't
Okay.
give water. Water is not needed because
Yes.
the first part is only water. So बच्चे की the thirst is reduced, and the पीछे का part the hind milk is fat. So with that the weight gain happens,
Yes. Sir.
and the
That means
baby.
as baby is suckling, the fore milk and hind milk will come as it is, one after the other, right?
So that is why we recommend 30 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes when the baby is big enough. But when the baby is small, like 1 month, after 3 months, 2 to 3 months, the baby can feed faster. But till then, 30 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, or maximum 30 minutes is needed for the to complete one to
Okay.
empty one breast.
Okay. 30
Yes.
minutes for one breath.
At
That
least
means
20,
for
at
one
least 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes. Yes, ma'am. So in
for
that,
one feeding,
one side,
1 hour. No.
yes, one feeding.
Mhm.
So no,
Okay.
no, only one side you have to give at a time. At a
Okay.
time, only one breast.
Okay.
Feed the
Mhm.
child, then you make the child stand for a while, like make him
Yes. Yes.
straight, so that the fill goes down, and then burp the child, and then make the child sleep.
Yes. Yes,
This is
yes.
again a
After
very
every feed,
good topic.
yes, yes. After every feed, the child will pass urine and stool. That
Yes,
should be there. But
that can
these
happen.
days, what we encounter these days, only twice a day or maximum thrice a day, the child will be passing stool, even in 6 months' time. Say before 6 months also. I don't know what is happening
Ma'am,
with
that
all
is
the
okay. That is
maybe
okay.
the party food with the mother. Hmm?
No, no, no. Ma'am, urine has to be 6 to 8 times. The motion can be once a week also, and it can be 8 to 10 times in a day also. The color has to be yellow.
Okay,
It is not
okay,
necessarily
okay.
the baby will not, if the baby is on a pure breast milk, he may not
Hmm.
pass for a week, even that is okay, normal. And he may pass 4 to 5 times in a day, even that is normal. The color has to be seen. Once the meconium, as you asked me about meconium, the meconium is the first motion which is coming out, which is
Hmm.
black in color. After that it is green, and then it is yellow. Yellow से green नहीं होना चाहिए. That means there is infection.
Yes, yes. And you said about some A vitamin absorption after meconium. What
Yes.
is that?
Yes. So meconium नहीं ma'am. The colostrum. The colostrum is rich in vitamin A.
Okay, okay.
That
That's
is why
great.
the
Okay.
color is also orangish yellow. So even
Yes.
we recommend that in the last month, after the seventh month, the mother should have a lot of vitamin A rich foods like carrot,
Mhm.
especially
Okay.
boiled carrot, not kacha carrot, not raw carrot.
Yes, yes, yes. And yes, dear doctors. Now regarding the mathematical part of these things. So what we will give immediately after the these days, 90% of mothers they will be complaining about less breast milk, right? So first we need to analyze whether really its breast milk is less or the mother is feeling like that. That is the first one foremost point. Even if we know the mother is feeling like that, just to keep her on placebo for
Yes.
her satisfaction so that she will be happy and we will be happy with the money. That we should not forget anytime. Because if we take money and we will give the medicine, that will work on the patient very much. That will work on the patient very much. If we give any free medicine, that won't work on the patient that much. This we need to keep in our mind. So जो भी patient जो भी अगर even if the patient is a greedy person also, miserly person also, even if we give free medicine also, he somewhere in their mind they'll feel that this is not the good medicine. That is why she gave it as a free medicine. So don't give any free medicine. At least charge 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 10 rupee, something you charge something and you give them, or according to your statistics only you can charge them and give placebo if you feel that the mother is really in worry. And even if the mother is really in trouble, that means she is in a psychological depression, that she is not able to feed her baby or the baby's feed is not well. Two things are there, madam. If the mother's expression is like this, like I'm not able to feed my baby well, then that is the problem of the mother. And if my baby is not able to take food more, then it is also the problem of the mother. But it is something, then we can think about her constitution and everything. When
Yes.
she says that I am not able to feed the mother, we can counsel her. We can counsel her. But when she says that my baby is not able to take food, then we need to interfere with our medicine also, including with the counseling, including with the best counseling, like that. So these are small tips when we should interfere with our medication. And the other thing is, when she is really not having milk in her breast, then what should we do? So generally, what are the I think all of us don't know about this, right? So any inputs about this? Any inputs with our dear doctors? Any inputs what we will give generally for having more breast milk? Any inputs, dear doctors, for
Resinous
having more?
communism. Hello.
Yes, 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 Dr. Vaida, you are absolutely right. So, Ricinus communis mother tincture, we will generally keep that one. And what about the potencies? What is that milk remedy? Somebody has written as milk
Lac,
remedy. What is that milk remedy?
lac,
Lac remedy.
lac,
What lac? Lac,
lac deflorated.
lac caninum. Dr. Rina Gularia, did you
Lack
anytime you have
canine,
given
madam.
lac caninum? Lac caninum. Acha. So please explain me about lac caninum and lac defloratum. Oh, Arctica urens also. Dr. Pungreli is writing as Arctica urens also. This is a new thing for me. No, lac caninum and lac defloratum. Please explain the difference, anybody. So what are the results of lac caninum? Whoever have given lac caninum, did you see that the breast milk is really increasing? Please explain. This is a very important point. What about lac caninum? Lac caninum, because doctors, yes, Dr. Pungal, you're absolutely right. See, actually, what happened is, I don't know how did we get this one. Even I did the same mistake in my early practice, so I was very much I was haunted by that mistake also. Sometimes our mistakes will haunt us, right? So lac caninum. Earlier we used to give lac caninum only to improve the breast milk. But what happened, I don't know. After initial practice, that means 25 साल के पहले, that means before 25 years, that means when I started initial my practice, 3 साल 4 साल के बाद after my practice, I used to give lac caninum and Ricinus communis only. It is a default medication I used to give. But sometimes they will say, okay. Sometimes they say, no, madam, it's not coming. And after 10 years of my practice, people started complaining. After the medication, the milk is still more less. The milk became still more less. So what I have suggested them or suggested myself is maybe 1 month is over, so the milk is over. So I need to give some more. Or if I'm not able to give, then you go on taking some medicines for that, or they are starting formula milks. So that is what the mistake I have given. But after 15 years of my practice, then came this lac defloratum into picture. Then I came to know that lac caninum stops the milk. It is given to stop the milk after 2 years or 1.5 years, where the breasts are very much full and they are leaking and leaking. Baby is not able to take that much of milk. Then we will give lac caninum. That means the opposite way is being happening. I don't know why, but I have learned lac caninum only as all other doctors say. Lac caninum maybe there I think, but that is not the right medicine. So to stop the milk, lac caninum. To have the milk in the breast, we need to give lac defloratum, or lac wax defloratum also will help in some people. But lac defloratum is the main remedy. To the fifth row people, like to the most elite persons, or people who feel that they are very elite and esteemed persons, or they feel themselves that elite in the sense they are very talented people, they are very artistic people, they have so many of talents, they are not like the normal people. For those people, we can try about lac wax defloratum. It is a skimmed milk medicine, because the milk already skimmed milk. That means the milk has been already done with some processes. Okay, so that milk will be helpful to fill the breasts of these elite feeling women. But for all the other normal women, lac defloratum is good, and Ricinus communis mother tincture is good. Okay, and this is one point I want to explain. And what about when the baby is not able to feed on the breast milk? So anybody has encountered? And Dr. Ruchi, can you say what could be the reasons where the child could not digest or could not take the breast milk?
Ma'am, till now I have not seen a case where the breast milk is not digested by the child. Till now. I have not seen a single case. I have not
Ma'am,
seen-
intolerance? Do you mean
Yes.
intolerance?
No, not
Milk
intolerance.
intolerance?
Milk intolerance, but intolerance to mother's milk.
Mother's milk is not
That's
there.
what I'm asking. Mother's milk only. Milk intolerance to
I have
mother's
never
milk.
seen. Yes.
No, milk intolerance. Yes. I'm asking about milk intolerance in mother's milk only. If the baby
Mother's
cannot
milk, okay.
tolerate.
Mothers. Till now,
So,
we have never seen that such kind of a situation. Never.
okay. So we are having such cases also, madam.
Okay.
So we are having so many cases. The mother complains that he does not want to be put to the nipple. Well, while I am getting to the nipple only, the baby crawls and cries, or the baby keeps faces and everything. But immediately it gets hungry, it again cries. And whenever I keep it to the breast, the baby, it's okay till I keep it to the breast. And after 1 to 2 sips again, it will get away from the mother.
Yeah.
So what could be the remedy? What could be the remedy? There are many cases.
Ma'am, in that we have to definitely rule out the way the mother is feeding the child. the way she's holding the child, if the babies, so what happens when the babies are very small, if they don't get the enough proper attachment, they don't get enough proper place to suckle, they get frustrated and then they leave. One
No, ma'am. No, I'm telling about after the milk is gone into the baby's stomach.
Even,
So that
even
means the
then,
feeding time.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I
After
don't.
the milk is.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you are saying that if the baby has started to feed, and while feeding is on, he is leaving the mother.
Yes, because yes,
So
he is leaving the mother.
yes.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, what I am aware about is that there are a lot of mechanical issues. Like suppose if the flow of the milk mother of the mother is very fast, the child can start getting
Yes,
suffocated inside.
that also could be one reason.
Huh.
Yeah, but
So
after all the feeding techniques are over, even then the child is not able to digest the food. So we are having one beautiful remedy for that. And Dr. Swati has mentioned Sikelkar and Agnes Casters, but I don't know. Agnes Castor stops the milk, madam. As I know, that Agnes Castor stops the testosterone. Agnes Castor is used to so similarly, because in the proving it stops the testosterone, it is used to increase the testosterone in males. Hmm? So that means if the lady takes Agnes castus also, her estrogen levels will be improved so that the lactation will be disturbed. So I think that Agnes castus, or I don't know about Agnes castus or Sikelkar in that issues. Dr. Swati, you can explain that. But what I know about this problem is that is the issue of, can anybody explain what it could be the issue? The baby can't digest the mother's milk, but the baby is her appetite is good. So her appetite is good. Yes, Dr. Ranjan, you can explain. Yes, Dr. Ranjan, you can unmute your mic.
Actually, I don't know about the indigestion, but when we were practicing in Surat, one doctor has told us that if mother is very much flatulent and with a gaseous abdomen complaint that baby is not able to digest the food, and when Esa Fatida was advised us, to us that
Yeah, that is also there. That is one
Ma'am,
point.
is that lactose intolerance?
No, it is not lactose intolerance. So I am not telling that milk is intolerant for her. If it is milk is intolerant, it won't take at all, right? No, it is not lactose intolerant. We can't term it as lactose intolerance. But anyhow, the baby is having good appetite. That means usko bhook lagta hai. So immediately after having the appetite, the baby cries. Then immediately the mother takes it to the breast. But the baby does not want to be carried to the breast also, or it even though it has hunger and it is takes some few sips of the breast milk also, immediately it doesn't want to take the breast milk. Why?
ma'am,
Because it is like, yeah,
mouth aptha,
Chamomilla.
no, not chamomilla. And what's the other one?
mouth aptha the child's mouth, so no, not able to
Borax.
suck the milk.
ma'am,
Mouth ulcer. No. It's
Mouth
not
aptha.
about mouth ulcer. No. I'm not
Okay.
able about mouth. It's not the case of mouth ulcers. That means it's not the problem with the mouth. The child, if it is the problem with the mouth, even if it is hungry, it will go. It will become. It won't. It doesn't want to leave the breast, right? So it doesn't know. It wants to stay with the mother. Even it is not taking the milk, it wants to stay with the mother. But it is not
Okay.
like this. Here, what is happening is actually the child's body, the child's bowels are not good. Are not good. So they are not able to digest the mother's milk. So what happens? The child is very hungry, but immediately after taking few bouts of the milk, the indigestion starts. The pain abdomen starts. The child doesn't know what to do. It cries again. It cries again. Then the mother takes again. It will feed. The mother shows that thinks that, oh, my child is very hungry, and again she will feed her. The child again feeds her, and again it has the pain abdomen. Again it will go. After 2 to 3 times, the child's intelligence will start working, and when while taking to the breast only, it will start crying. It doesn't want to, because it can't show any other resistance. No, it can't higgle and tiggle. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. So it starts crying. So this is what is the symptom. This symptom has much more to do even when the child is in the mother's womb. When the mother is not able to counteract upon some that means the mother is being treated ill. Suppose the pregnant mother is being treated ill, So she is not able to counter them. And but she is feeling very much inside her brain or something. That is what is the symptom of magnesium. What is that word called?
Superb. That is,
No, not resection or something. What is there? Na R se shuru hota hai. Repression. It is
Repression.
not depression.
depression.
It is repression.
Repression.
The mother wants to fight, but it doesn't. Mother does not want to fight because it does not want to get quarreled. So that problem, that conflict, will be directly going to the child.
Magnesium.
So if that conflict is magnesium and it is magnesium carbonicum. The drug is magnesium carbonicum. That's all. 30-200 1 mg. I have treated many cases like this. Only with the drug magnesium carbonicum. So I will be giving, even if the problem is still for 6 months, I will be giving magnesium carbonicum 6 potency also. To be given daily one pill or one, I won't give in drops, I will give in pills only. So one pill to be mixed with the breast milk and given to the child like that. So then the digestion process will be over and the magnesium conflict in the child also will be over. The child won't be grown into a magnesium girl again or boy again like that because we are treating the conflict through the mother's milk because the mother is having that one. If the conflict is very much more and when we see that the mother is completely in magnesium, then there is no need to give the medicine in the breast milk. We can directly give the medicine to the mother. And that will come in through the breast milk. Whatever medicines we are giving, that will travel through the breast milk. That will definitely travel to the breast milk. That is why some hormonal medicine, some medicines are in higher potencies or some for her depression, something like that. We need to check and we need to give. Only if it is very essential, we need to treat the mother with higher potencies. Otherwise, we should not treat the mother. And if there are some motions with breast milk, then we can give the medicine to the mother. Otherwise, directly, after 6 months, directly the medicine should be given to the child only. Even before 6 months, we can directly give it to the child. If the child is suffering with loose stools. So I used to get babies of 2 months or 3 months, they are having dehydration, gastroenteritis. They are feeding on mother's milk only. But I don't know why there is some unhygienic feeding or something or like that, or maybe the something. But they are having this problem of loose stools, some 24 to 30 stools a day. Sometimes 1 or 2 vomitings. That's all. Vomitings are not that frequent because vomiting is more dangerous than diarrhea. Vomiting is reverse peristalsis. It is more syphilitic than diarrhea. Okay. So the mothers will carry those babies to my clinic. They will ask me to give some medicine. I was very much worried in my earlier practices. So I said that why you carry the babies to me? Go to a hospital and get some saline for them. So they said, no, madam, we don't want to give syringes to our babies. You just give us 2 pills. We know that you can give, that pills will work us. Like that, they will be pestering me. Sometimes when I am out of station also, they used to call me. Then I started the same medicine which we will give for the gastroenteritis, like the Nux vomica, like the arsenicum album. I used to give in 30 or 200 only, not less or not more. 30 also rare. I just give 200 also. So 1 dose or 2 doses is sufficient for them. So I just give those pills with the breast milk or with little 1 spoon of 1 or half spoon of water and to be taken under the tongue, not directly into the tongue because she may choke, the baby may choke, like that. Like that, those cases also can be treated with homeopathy, with lactating babies also. Even before 6 months, when only the mother's milk is given, then also we can treat them. And if the lactating mother has really a problem and she is not able to lactate at all, the IUI babies, the IVF babies, generally they have this problem. Then we can treat them constitutionally. And while we are treating constitutionally, we need to know that if the medicine just before the delivery or just before the conception will be little different with just after the delivery. Because the lady's tensions will be more before the delivery, she may reflect into some other drug. Maybe the phenotype, maybe the acute totality, maybe the layer remedy. First layer remedy should be given before conception or during gestation or before delivery. Once after the baby is delivered, the mother's complete attention will be gone out and her original constitution will be coming out. Then we can treat her with her original constitutional remedy. This we should keep in our mind because I have already encountered 2 to 3 infertility cases like that. So I will explain that also tomorrow. You just remind me about this before pregnancy drug and after pregnancy drug. So I will explain this tomorrow in my cases. I have experienced those things. Then I have noted that point like that. So any other material medical, Dr. Swati, could you please explain?
Excuse me,
Yes, doctor.
ma'am, 1 second. Sorry to interrupt you in the discussion. I have to leave. So can I?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have already spent so much of time. Thank you so. Yes,
Thank you,
Doctor.
ma'am. Thank you for
Thank you so much, Dr. Ruchi, for the wonderful session.
Thank
Yes,
you,
we
ma'am.
have learned a lot. And thank you, Dr. Padmaja, for all the inputs. Thanks to the audience too for having attended till the end. Yes, we are waiting for furthermore interesting sessions. So, good night, all of you, and meet you all once again tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.